Zoran's storytelling, tales of unity between spirit and flesh. Zoran's wisdom, seeing ourselves as part of the larger tapestry. Dear adventurer, let us pause for a moment to marvel at the interconnected world around us, from the humblest bee to the mightiest dragon. Each of us is a thread woven into nature's grand tapestry. Allow me to take you back to a memory that forever changed my understanding of this profound connection. The tale of the meadow's harmony. One spring morning, I rested in a meadow painted with wildflowers of every hue: crimson poppies, golden daisies, and violet lupins swayed gently in the breeze. As I lay upon the earth, feeling the warmth of the sun on my scales, my gaze was drawn to the delicate dance of a bee flitting from flower to flower. The bee moved with purpose, gathering nectar from each bloom. In return, the flowers willingly shared their pollen, a gift that ensured their own survival. This simple exchange, I realized, was not mere happenstance. It was a vital thread in the web of life. The bees nourished the flowers sustained the bees, and together they supported the meadow's other inhabitants, the birds nesting in the trees, the rabbits burrowing in the grass, and even me, Zoran the dragon, as I breathed in the sweet fragrance of this vibrant ecosystem. This moment filled me with awe. I understood, as never before, that I was not separate from nature, but part of her intricate design. The air that filled my lungs, the water that quenched my thirst, the flame that burned within me, all were gifts from this vast and interconnected system. The lessons of the tapestry. The meadow revealed to me three profound truths about our place within nature's dance. 1. We are all connected. The bee and the flower, though different, are partners in life's cycle. Their collaboration supports not just themselves, but countless others. Similarly, every action we take ripples outward, influencing the world in ways we may never fully see. Reflection. Think of the ways your own actions, kindness shared, resources conserved contribute to the well-being of your community and the natural world. 2. Every role matters. In the meadow, no thread is too small to be significant. The flowers, the bees, the soil, and even the sunlight all play roles that sustain the whole. Reflection. Whatever your role may be, honor it. Your unique contributions, no matter how small they seem, are essential to the larger tapestry. 3. Balance sustains life. The meadow thrives because of balance. The flowers give, the bees take, and life continues in harmony. Disruption to one thread, a dwindling bee population, for example, can unravel the whole. Reflection. Consider how balance applies to your own life. Are you giving and receiving in equal measure? Are you nourishing your own well-being as much as you contribute to others? Zoran's wisdom on the larger tapestry. As I lay in the meadow, it struck me that this intricate dance extended far beyond its borders. The rivers that watered the flowers flowed from distant mountains. The sunlight that nourished the plants traveled across galaxies. Even the flame in my heart was born of the same cosmic energy that ignited stars. I came to understand that this tapestry of life is boundless. Its threads stretch across time and space, connecting all living beings. And so, I offer you this wisdom. To honor nature is to honor yourself, for you are not apart from her, but a living thread within her infinite design. Tend this thread with care, and you shall weave beauty into the world. Zoran the dragon. Practical ways to embrace your role in nature's dance. Dear adventurer, every step you take ripples through the tapestry of life. To embrace your role within nature's intricate design is to honor the connections that sustain you and the world around you. Let us delve deeper into these practices, weaving more threads into the web of wisdom and action. 1. Observe the web around you. Nature is a symphony, and every creature contributes its unique melody. By taking time to observe the web of life in your environment, you begin to see the harmony that connects all things. What to look for? Oh, notice how a tree provides shade to rest beneath, shelter for nesting birds, and oxygen for all living beings. Oh, watch how squirrels scatter seeds, fostering the growth of new plants. Oh, observe how raindrops nourish the soil, sustaining both the flowers in the meadow and the streams that run into rivers. Practice. Spend time outdoors in quiet observation. Sit by a tree, watch insects at work, or follow the path of a flowing stream. Let yourself marvel at the interconnectedness of these systems. Reflection for life. Just as the tree anchors the forest, consider how your presence anchors your own community. What connections can you nurture and strengthen? 2. Practice reciprocity. Nature thrives on balance, a constant give and take where every action contributes to the greater whole. By engaging in acts of reciprocity, you honor this balance and sustain the web of life. Acts of reciprocity. Composting. Return nutrients to the soil by composting kitchen scraps and yard waste. This simple act enriches the earth, creating fertile ground for new life. Pollinator support. Plant flowers that feed bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. These pollinators play a crucial role in sustaining ecosystems. Care for the land. Whether by picking up litter or planting trees, every act of care contributes to the health of your environment. Practice. Choose one act of reciprocity to integrate into your daily life, be it planting, composting, or supporting local conservation efforts. Reflection for life. Like the bee and the flower, how can you exchange gifts with the world around you? What can you offer? And what can you receive in return? 3. Reduce disruption. Every thread in the tapestry of life is delicate, and disruption to one can unravel the whole. By being mindful of how your actions impact the web of life, you help preserve nature's balance. Ways to reduce your impact. Conserve resources. Reduce water usage, turn off lights when not in use, and opt for renewable energy sources when possible. Reduce waste. Compost food scraps, recycle materials, and avoid single-use plastics. Support sustainability. Choose eco-friendly products, support local farmers, and advocate for policies that protect the environment. Practice. Perform an impact audit of your daily habits. Identify one area where you can reduce your footprint, whether it's conserving energy or using reusable containers. Reflection for life. Like a river that carves the land, your actions leave a lasting imprint. How can you ensure that your legacy strengthens, rather than disrupts, the web of life? 4. Celebrate the tapestry. Nature's beauty is not just to be preserved, it is to be celebrated. By engaging in rituals that honor your connection to the earth, you deepen your appreciation for being part of something greater than yourself. Rituals to try. Journaling. Write about your observations in nature, the song of birds, the rustle of leaves, or the changing seasons. Reflect on how these moments connect to your own journey. Art. Create art inspired by the patterns and colors of nature. Draw flowers, paint landscapes, or sculpt using natural materials. Quiet reflection. Spend time in stillness, listening to the sounds of the earth and feeling its presence. Let this connection ground and inspire you. Practice. Dedicate one day each week to celebrating nature, whether by hiking, gardening, or simply sitting beneath the stars. Reflection for life. How does honoring the tapestry of nature bring clarity and peace to your own life? What threads of gratitude can you weave? Zoran's reflection. To be part of nature's dance is to honor the gifts you have been given and to give in return. Each act, no matter how small, strengthens the tapestry we are all part of. Zoran the dragon. To embrace your role in nature's dance is to honor the threads that connect all life. By observing, reciprocating, reducing impact, and celebrating the tapestry, you become a guardian of the harmony that sustains us all. Remember, dear adventurer, every action you take, no matter how small, contributes to the beauty and balance of the world. Conclusion. To see yourself as part of nature's larger tapestry is to embrace your role in the dance of life. Like the bee and the flower, your actions, no matter how small, contribute to the balance and beauty of the world. Honor this connection, and you will find not only harmony with nature, but with yourself.